Hello, welcome to another live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I hope that you guys are enjoying this live session every day that we are doing. We have today is Friday, another trading day, expecting a bigger move. So let's see what kind of opportunity we might have for the upcoming session. Looking at a couple of instruments that we'll be looking at to see what kind of trading opportunity we may have in the upcoming session. So let's look at one by one to all of the instruments that might give us entry. I will be doing first of all full multi-time frame analysis, and then we will be looking for other instrument as well to find out how we can trade in the upcoming session. So with that in mind, let's look at I will be looking at XAUSD and then GBP, JPY, Euro dollar, and British pound US dollar, and other instrument to see how we can find entry opportunity in this market. So let's look at one by one. First of all, XAUSD. Once we completed the XAUSD, we'll be looking at Euro dollar and GBP USD as well to see where we can find trading opportunities. So let's look at first of all XAU USD, and then we will be looking at Euro dollar and other pairs as well. So looking at the monthly chart on XAU USD to see where we can find trading opportunity. You can see this is a monthly price action on gold, and we can see this is a very strongly bull market starting from here. Okay, so you can see this is a strong impulse here and followed by pullback. We can see that there's another impulse followed by another pullback and back to back to the two monthly impulse. And here is what we can see. This is the current monthly candlestick pattern. In this current monthly candlestick pattern, the price managed to bounce, and we could see that now continuation to the upside potentially to create a new higher high. So looking at the monthly, where you can see the market is from the monthly perspective is highly bullish. So looking at the weekly perspective here, if we look at, we can see from the weekly also this is a bull market. In this market, from the weekly, the market is forming series of, we can see the higher high and the higher low, which is in an uptrend. And in that uptrending market, the market forming a strong bullish price action at the moment, and any pullback to the support level can give us that potential entry opportunity in this market. So let's see where it might be heading to see potential price action here. So looking at here on in this market, you can see the price is forming series of higher low. From the weekly, looking at the daily chart in this market, we can see that from the daily perspective also this is a bull market starting from here. You can see this is a drop here, pullback. The market is from a head and shoulder here. So with that head and shoulder formation, a strong breakout, pullback, another breakout, pullback, and the market potentially creating potentially another bullish impulse here in this zone. So based on that bullish impulse, we will be looking for potential entry opportunity to see where we can find trading opportunity in this session as well as in the upcoming session. If you guys are ready for potentially expecting a bigger move, as this is Friday, last day of trading week, a very important day to see where we can find trading opportunity to find out. So let's see on XAUSD, looking at the 4-hour and 1-hour perspective here. This is the 1-hour chart on this one, and in this lower time frame, so you can see that this is the lower time frame price action. And this lower time frame price action, if you look at the 1-hour chart, you can see this is an important level of support here. Okay, so in that support level, the market in the support forms series of higher low, and with that series of higher low formation, you can see the market form that series of higher low. And what we can expect for the price to form this level, to bounce back up and then to create a new higher high. So looking at here, series of higher low formation, and in this series of higher low, what we can expect for the price to bounce back up and then to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So if you look at here, you can see in this market, as the price was testing, this is a support here, a bounce, and then support here, another bounce, support here, another bounce, and then support here, another bounce. So the market, in fact, that forming series of higher low, and with that series of higher low formation, the price is getting a bounce, and with that bounce, okay, so we can see the price is in this uptrending market structure. It's forming a bullish market structure, expecting for this market to to form a double bottom and then to bounce back up to create a new higher high. So let's wait now on this one, looking at the 15 minutes perspective here on XAUUSD local time frame, looking at the 1 hour also, and in this 1 hour time frame, the market, as this is in a bull move, we can expect for the price to bounce back up to create a new higher high. So in this uptrending market, we will be waiting for the price to go ahead and then to form an inverted head and shoulder, and we might see that with the inverted head and shoulder, the market moving back up to create a new higher high. So let's see where the price is heading, and based on that, we can look for entry opportunity in this market. So let's look at to see overall picture in the market as well. We will be looking at, and in this market we can see the price. This is as the market is forming series of higher low, and in that series of higher low formation, we can expect for the price to bounce back up and then to form a potential inverted head and shoulder, and then to return back up to the upside to create a new higher high. So this is an uptrending market, and in that uptrending market, we will be looking for entry opportunity to see where the price might be heading. So also looking at the 15 minutes perspective on XAUUSD lower time frame as well, the market is also in an uptrend here. You can see the price is you can see this is a also series of higher low formation here, and with that series of higher low, this is moving back up, and we might see that the price potentially bouncing back up, forming an inverted head and shoulder, and then returning back to the upside to create a new higher high. So with that in mind, as it is in an uptrend, we will be looking for in this market to find a potential trading opportunity once we find that suitable entry in this market. Okay, so here is, as the market is forming series of higher low, we can see the price, okay, in that series of higher low formation, the price is moving back up and expecting for the price to return back to the upside to find out where we can find trading opportunity in this market. So this is an higher low formation here, and in this higher low, we can expect for the price to as this market is trending, we will be looking for entry opportunity to find out where we can find potential trading opportunity in this market. So in the meantime, I would appreciate, guys, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Let's look at to see series of higher low formation, expecting for the market to bounce back up, and with that bounce, we can expect for the market to go ahead, retest, and then potentially continue to rise to the upside to create a new higher high. And looking at here, okay, so you can see this is also a bullish channel here on XAUUSD, And in this bullish channel, okay, so you can see the market in a bullish channel here. From here, there, from this support level, there is a bounce, pull back to the support, another bounce, pull back to the support, another bounce, and we can see the market in fact is trending with a stronger momentum. And in this in this stronger momentum, in this bull market, it's a bullish channel. And what we can expect for this market to also continue to push high with a stronger bullish price action. And if you guys look at it, you can see as there is a potential inverted head and shoulder formation, we can expect for the price to also go ahead and penetrate that level to the upside, and then to retest and then continue to rise to create a new higher high. To find out the potential entry, we will be looking for further confirmation in this market. Once we will find that further confirmation, we will be looking for that entry as well. So looking at here on XAU-USD, we can see that the market trend also in this market is this is a moving up here. Okay, so this is a resistance here, dropping to the support level, bounce back up, dropping to the support level, bounce back up, dropping to the support level. So basically this market is in an uptrend, and in this uptrending market we will be looking for you can see locally expecting for the market to potentially trend. And here is sideways movement, a little bit sideways movement, and I think that the market may move back up with another momentum here, as the price is forming series of higher low. And in this series of higher low, we can expect for the price to go ahead, break the high, sideways movement, and we can expect again the market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. So here is with this bull move, with this bullish market structure, we can expect for the market to trend and to create a new higher high, forming series of higher low here. And in the series of higher low, we can expect for the price to keep pushing up and then to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So in this bullish market, we will be waiting for the price to give us potential entry opportunity. So we can see the market trend is up, and so this is a local upside, pullback, another move, pullback, another move, pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrend. I would like to see that the market keep pushing up, and it may move back up here to this previous support, which is turning resistance. And with that support turning resistance, we can expect for the price to go back up and then to penetrate that level, forming an inverted head and shoulder, and then could continue to rise to create a new higher high. And in the meantime, traders, if you guys are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, smash it, and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Any question also, you can ask in the live chat. As of Friday, we are expecting a good move in the market to find out, to see where it is heading. Thank you. Thanks for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support, and let's keep pushing forward here. Okay, so forming series of higher low here, and in this series of higher low formation, okay, so which is basically in a strong uptrend, series of higher low, and with that series of higher low we can expect for the price to bounce back up and then to create a new higher high. So you can see that this is an bullish market structure, and because it's a bull market, we can expect for the market to trend in that direction, and then to as the market is trending in that direction, we can expect for the market to move back up and then to create a new higher high. So bullish market structure, expecting for the market to trend and then to create a new higher high. And with that movement, we can expect for the price to go ahead, break this high, and then to move back up and then to create a new higher high. To find out, to see where the market is heading, and based on that we can look for entry opportunity in this market to see where it is heading. And so let's look at as the market is forming series of higher low, as the price is heading to the upside, you can expect for the market to potentially trend in that direction and then to create a new higher high. And thank you for joining the live session. It is really good to see that all of you are here. So if you guys write something on the live chat, it will be much more visible to see that you guys are here, so you can begin that full multi-time frame analysis to find out where the market is heading. And before I do the full analysis, I would appreciate if you guys are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. And thank you for your support as well. Hope that the live chat is working. And as if you look at here, you can see this is the 4 hour, and in this 4 hour time frame, and the market here, okay, so from here this is an inverted head and shoulder, and with a strong breakout from the inverted head and shoulder with a bullish engulfer. So you can see this is a bullish engulfer, and probably guys have seen that we had a trade from here with this bullish engulfer with a stronger momentum, followed by we can see that there is an after the market break that low, grab the liquidity, and then had a strong rejection to the upside with a doji, followed by we can see there is another bullish engulfer here, okay, which is also a strong bullish engulfer, followed by we can see every session we have seen quite a few strong bullish engulfer, and with this strong bullish engulfer you can see there is a bearish drop here with another red candle followed by narrow doji, and we can see the market in fact cross that high here and then grab the liquidity again. We can see there is another rejection from that zone with a stronger momentum, and we can see the market basically trending in that direction. With that trend, what we can expect for the price to go back to the support level, and then this is a support here and also the support here. What we can expect for the price to break below, and with that break below, as the market is breaking below to the support level here, with that support expecting for this market to trend and then to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So we still could see some downward pressure here for a deeper liquidity grab, and then we may see that the market is potentially trending. At the moment we can see the market locally this is in a downtrend. In this downtrend we can expect for the price to come back here potentially to the support level, and then we can look for that entry opportunity to find out where we can find next trading opportunity in this market. So let's see here is that this is a drop, a bounce, another drop, bounce, another drop. The market in a downtrend here, and with the downtrend we will be looking for entry opportunity to find out where is the potential trade here. So let's look at the 15 minutes perspective, 5 minutes, and so looking to see that we can see some local upside here with a local uptrend, and want to see the market melting in the direction, and that could lead that price back to the potentially to the support level to find out where is the trading opportunity. As this is an important support, and in that important support want to see the market have got another rejection potentially. If we see that, then we will be looking for potential entry again to find out where we can find trade for the upcoming session. So looking at the 15 minutes again, here is the lower time frame price action. Want to see the market form that series of higher low, and then from this zone we can expect this market to potentially bounce back up to create a new higher high. Jacqueline, welcome. Again, well done. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support to this channel. And always, if you guys are enjoying the live session, I try to give the best trading education possible for the members in the academy as well as in the channel. So make sure you stick always till the end to understand everything, to learn everything, to grow as a trader with me as well as with the channel. The main focus here for this live session is to grow, is to learn, is to understand how the market moves. And my goal here is to help every trader in this academy in this channel coming up to give the best trading experience and education possible. So, and that's why, you know, all the education that is here are very unique to the members who are in the academy. So let's see where it is heading. Here is, we can see the market. This is an, if you guys look at it, you can see this is a series of higher low formation here, and in that series of higher low, which is basically we can see in an bullish channel from here, a support to the resistance line, and then pull back to the support, and we have seen another bounce, pull back to the support, another bounce, pull back to the support. And in this market, as it is heading in that direction, we can expect for the price to potentially bounce back up to the resistance line, and with that resistance line, the price tested this support, expecting it to trend in that direction to create a new higher high. So looking for the market trend, as this market is trending, we will be looking for entry in the market to see the best results that possible coming up. Once we will find that, and thank you for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. If you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Thank you. Now let's look at what's happening with the euro dollar. And if you look at it, you can see this is euro USD. And in this euro dollar, this is you can see the market also forming series of higher low on euro USD. Looking at the monthly chart to see how the market might be heading on euro USD from the monthly. There was you can see it's a big drop here on euro dollar, and there is a important level here on euro USD. If you look at weekly perspective here, we can see the weekly perspective here from this support. There is a bounce stronger from the weekly, which is basically a stronger bullish move. Looking at the daily here on euro USD, we can see the daily perspective. This is an inverted, potentially what we could see, what I think that we might see a potential inverted head and shoulder on euro USD. And if we see that it formed that inverted head and shoulder on euro USD, we can expect a bounce here to the upside potentially. If we look at the 4-hour perspective here, we can see the market is forming series of higher low, expecting a bounce here with a stronger momentum. So looking at the 1-hour chart here on euro USD, we can see the market also in an uptrend here, forming series of higher low on euro USD. So what I think that on euro dollar, we may see that the price is, if you guys look at it, you can see series of higher low formation, and in this series of higher low, we can expect for the market to bounce and then bouncing back up to the resistance line here. There is a high liquidity zone here. Also, there is a high liquidity and quite a few long week candles as well. So with that in mind, on euro USD, we can expect for this price to go ahead and to retest potentially to the upside to create a new higher high. So from the lower time frame perspective on euro dollar, we will be looking to see if there is any entry. What I think that on euro USD, we can expect for this price to retest and then to return back again to create a new lower low on euro dollar. So looking at in this market to drop after a liquidity grab is possible on euro dollar, but for an entry opportunity I'll be waiting for the price to, you can see this is a series of lower high here, okay, and in the series of lower high we can expect for the price to potentially drop here to the support level, which we might see an entry opportunity here potentially. So if you look at here, you can see this is a resistance here which is turning support here, and the market trend may remain to the downside here on euro USD. We'll see where it is heading. XAUUSD and euro dollar, both of them potentially we might find a better trading opportunity in this market. Thank you for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. Series of lower high formation here. Lower high formation here on XAUUSD. So we can see that if you look at the 1 hour perspective on gold, we can see the market from this level there is an initial bounce, and I think that gold may bounce back up to the upside to create a new higher high in this market. And as it is forming, you can see this is a support here, support here, support here, support here, and also the support here, quite a few important support level on XAUUSD. And with that support, what we can expect for the price to bounce back up potentially to the resistance line here. And as this market is forming series of high and low, we can expect for the price to go ahead and fill that channel here, which is a very important level of channel. And in this channel, what we can expect for the price to move up and then to fill that zone to return back to the upside to create a new higher high. So locally we can see the market is from this level creating a series of higher low, and with that series of higher low formation, what we can expect for the price to, if you look at it, you can see series of higher low, expecting for the price to potentially bounce back up, okay, and with that bounce expecting for the market to go ahead forming inverted head and shoulder and then return back to the upside to create a new higher high, to find out where the market potentially heading to the upside. And looking at the lower time frame, if you look at the 15 minutes, you can see the market in this lower time frame is also forming higher low. And as this market, you can see there is a consolidation here, and with that consolidation we can expect also to trend to the upside in this market. There is a 15 minutes bullish pin bar here, and with that 15 minutes bullish pin bar, we can expect for the price to this is a bullish price action, expecting also for the market to go ahead and then to create a new higher high to find out where the price might be heading to. Thanks for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. Press the notification bell if you are new to the channel, so that you are notified as soon as I release any content in the channel, in the academy. And also, to be part of the trading community, make sure also you join the free Telegram channel for all the updates, education, and for all the ideas like that. We can see here is a series of higher low with a stronger bullish price action. And with that bullish price action, want to see the market is making, you know, an upside bias here. So you see with that upside bias, expecting for the price to go ahead and then to create a new higher high. Lower time frame price action, we can see this is an a bullish market here, and in this bull market, okay, so you can see this is an inverted head and shoulder potentially on the 5 minutes. And with that inverted head and shoulder, so you can see the market has formed an inverted head and shoulder, and with that inverted head and shoulder, expecting for the price to go ahead, break the high, and potentially to retest this support as a resistance. And we will be looking for that potentially another bounce. What I think that so here is as the market is trending, we can look for entry to the upside here. Thanks for joining the live session as well. If you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Thanks for also your support always, as always, much appreciated. And also, if you guys are looking at any other pairs, you can write on the live chat. You guys can write on the live chat which instrument you are looking at. I'm also posting a pool here. So let me ask you a question. What is your view on XAUSD? So what's your view on XAUSD? Good afternoon, sir. Why is it important not to trade towards support? Enjoying live session. Thank you very much, Coach. Gold buy or sell? Please, Coach. Can you always analyze BTC? Yeah, absolutely. Good afternoon, sir. Why is it important not to trade towards support? Okay, so that's a very good question. We'll be answering that one. Before we go to that, let's find out here on this instrument how the price might be moving up. Let's look at that here. And So here is, we can see a bullish engulfer here on the 15 minutes, and with another bullish move here, so which is basically a bullish price action in that area on XAUSD. On the 15 minutes perspective, we can expect for the price to go ahead and then potentially to create a new higher high. And looking at the lower time frame 15 minutes, also we can see the market trend is locally to the upside. Now the question is, good afternoon sir, why is it important not to trade towards support? Okay, let's find out that how the flow and the trade comes in play. So if we look at, let's say this is an important level of support and the market is okay, so in a downtrend on the support, I guess you mean that towards support means that not to trade on the support, because when the market in a, if you look at, you can see in a trend, right? So you can see the market in a trend, the market on a support, that means that where there is a high liquidity. And when the market on a support, in that support zone where the price is gathering liquidity, and the price on a support means that if you look at support or resistance, what does it mean is when the market on a support, you can't predict the market directly, because on the support always there will be some reaction, right? Because it's an important area. Now if it is a trend continuation, then you might see that on the support the market going in a sideway, right? So you could see that the market going in a sideway in a in a trend continuation, right? This is what happened when the market on a support. Or if the trend continues, you see the market sideway, grab liquidity and then penetrate it, and the market trend again. It's one situation on when the market on a support level. And when the market not on the support, if we look at what we can see, when the market not on the support level, so this is a support for example, and the market not on the support, then we could see that trend continuation. But when support, it may move in a sideway, and then after moving from the sideway, we could see a reversal or we could see the penetration. So that's why if you trade on the support, the directional bias could be very unpredictable. The best trade to look at is from the trend. So if you look at a market is trending, a move, pullback, another move, pullback, another move, pullback. So when you see that a market is trending, creating series of higher high and higher low, which is basically, if you look at in an trend, so it is in an uptrend, and when the market in a trend, it's very difficult for the price to you'll see that the market is forming series of higher high, higher low in an uptrend, and you could see the market is forming series of lower high and lower low, okay, so which is in a downtrend. So it's better always to trade on a trend. So when the market in a trend, we could see that the market is moving in the direction. So that's why it is always a good idea is to trade the market where it is in a trend. I hope that makes sense, rather than buying or selling from an area of value where the market is still, for example, here it's after the break of structure, we can see the market is again trying to break to the upside to create a new higher high. You can see this is an important level here, and this is an in that market. As this market is in a trend, we could see that the price is ultimately going back up to the liquidity zone here. We'll see where it is heading, and based on that we can look for trading opportunity in the market. Let's see how we can find that. Good evening, coach. Any big drop possible on Monday behalf of the Trump take charge of office? Yeah, there will be always with the election and all of this, there will be definitely some reaction coming up, and let's prepare for that as well. As you know that this month is very important month, and we could see that in this in this day the market is in fact volatile, and Monday, first day of trading week, also we can expect a very big move expecting, and in that big move we could see the price is in fact heading with a stronger momentum. We'll see that how far also it may go, so we will be looking at that one as well. And in the meantime, we are now, this is the last day of trading week also. So starting from today we can expect increased volatility in the market, and that's very important point to look at for the upcoming days and sessions. So we can see the market in a trend, and in this trend, as it is heading in the one direction, we can expect for the price to move up and then to create a new higher high. Okay, so looking at the 1 hour, you can see from here there is a bullish engulfer followed by another bullish candle, and with that bull candle we can expect for the price to move up and then to create a new higher high. So let's see how we can find entry for the upcoming session as well. So this session's entry we can extend it to the upcoming session also. And looking for, if you look at here, you can see with the series of higher low formation, this is a very important channel here. And as the market, you can see this is the 15 minutes perspective. We see that there is a primary rejection, and with the rejection, okay, so we can see the market, this is the 15 minutes perspective here, and in this lower time frame with a bullish engulfer here. Okay, so in this bull market, expecting for the price to move up and then to create a new higher high. So lower time frame, we can expect for this price to this is an inverted head and shoulder and a strong breakout. We are expecting for a deeper pullback and then to move up potentially. This is an important level here as well. So this is resistance and support. Locally we can see the market is in an trend, and we will be waiting for possible entry. I will be waiting for a possible entry in the lower time frame. If you guys look at, you can see this is an with this inverted head and shoulder, a strong breakout, and expecting it to come back here to the support. So we can see some local downtrend here. With a bullish engulfer, there's a dodgy formation. As the market coming here to the support level, and in that support, okay, so this is where also there is a neckline of this previous support and resistance. We can see that this is a drop here to this level, where previous resistance here, which is turning support here, and want to see the market test it and then bounce back up to create a new higher high. And also I would appreciate your support, guys, to the channel. If you guys are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content every single day. Now we will be waiting for better setup. Okay, so we can see an inverted head and shoulder, a bounce sideways, and the price is approaching that level here, which is the previous resistance here, turning support here, wanting to see the market is moving up again to create a new higher high. Well done, and welcome. You can see that this is a resistance here on the lower time frame, turning support, expecting for the market to trend to the upside to create a new higher high. To find out how the market might be doing. And looking at 1 minute chart again, we can see that this is we can see an inverted head and shoulder, a strong bounce, pullback, and the market basically currently trending in that direction. So we can expect for this price to come back here potentially, and then to return back up again to create a new higher high. And if you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. And you can see that locally this is a bearish price action at the moment here. We'll be waiting for the market to start to return again, potentially to the upside. This is from this level there is a big drop, pullback, another drop, pullback. The market is basically trending here with a we can see locally from here a bounce. It's in a downtrend. Want to see a bounce breakout and then to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So you can see that this is if you guys look at it, you can see the market is forming series of higher low, and with this series of higher low formation, want to see the market is trending going back up to this resistance line where there is a high liquidity, and with that high liquidity we can expect for the price to continue to rise to create a new higher high. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. We'll be waiting for further entry opportunity, and in the meantime, we'll take a 1 minute break. Coming back to you guys. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so back in the market. Okay, so if you guys also looking at here is the lower time frame price section. Lower time frame, we can see 5 minutes perspective here. We can see the market basically has made this bounce here with this pullback, and from here another bounce, and we can see that another pullback here. So with that in mind, if you guys look at it, you can see this is a movement here, and as you guys look at it, you can see this is a strong bounce pullback. The market is trending, and with that uptrend, if you guys look at it, you can see this is the price tested the neckline of this previous resistance line, which is turning support here, and resistance turning support. Okay, a move pullback. The market is in an currently in an uptrend, and we will be looking for in that uptrend potential entry once you will find it. Okay, so lower time frame price action, if you look at this, is a 15 minutes price action, which is a bull move, and it is the 1 minute chart as well. So you can see there is an also inverted head and shoulder, and then inverted head and shoulder, the market is trending, and as this market trending, want to see that it's moving back up and then to create a new higher high. So let's look at to see, as this market trending, what we can expect for the price to potentially to retest this level here, which is another important resistance line, and local, global trend on this market. If you look at the 4 hour, you can see this is a bullish market, and as it started to trend, would like to see a strong liquidity gap, and then we can look for another entry opportunity to find out where the market might be heading based on that. So look at local upside here. Now in this uptrend, we can look for again entry to see potential price action. And absolutely appreciate also your support. I see the likes is going up. Will be helpful if you guys smash it to 50. If you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Now here is 15 minutes, a bullish engulfer. There's one here, a strong bullish engulfer. Also there is one here, a strong bullish engulfer. So back to back two important bullish engulfer, and with that bullish engulfer, I will be waiting to see the market is breaking above to create a new higher high. As the trend is up locally, see if there is any bullish entry opportunity. See some bias here, and with that bias, with a long wick candle, want to see a move up, and okay, so a bullish market here. I think we might see some short-term upside here. Let's look at the daily as well here. Only thing is the price is approaching the daily resistance line, so that's where we might see that price is potentially heading. Creating series of higher low. Want to see moving back up to the resistance line, and we can see that series of higher low, and in this series of higher low, expecting for the market to trend again to create a new higher high. A bullish engulfer here. And in this bullish engulfer, want to see the market is heading to the upside, which we might see that eventually the price is going back to the resistance line. Okay, so you can see some pullback here that might lead that price back to the support level. And from here a drop to the support level. So to see where it is heading at the moment, and in that area what we can expect for the price to revert back up. The best time to trade is when the market in a strong after a breakup structure, when the market prepare for potential move. That's where is the best time to enter. And looking at here, you can see this is a bounce here, and with that bounce the market potentially moving up and then to create a new higher high. See that where it is heading. Looking at the 1 minute chart here, we can see that the market forming series of higher low, and we are looking at for the price to retest and then to revert back up to create a new higher high. You can see the market testing this support, and then want to see that it's returning back to the upside to create a new higher high, to find out where the price might be heading to. And looking at here is the resistance line, which is an important level of resistance at the moment, and we may see that the price in the resistance coming here and then returning back to the upside. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. We can see here a bounce, and with that bounce expecting for this market is trending. Want to see this pushing high. We may see the price is breaking above and then to create a new higher high. You can see a bullish price action here. Waiting for a proper entry. And here you can see the market is, we have seen a breakup structure here. With this breakup structure, this is a doji, wanting to see that it's breaking to the upside. And from that breakup structure, we can expect for the market to, move back up and then to create a new higher high, to find out where the market might be trending. Is the price approaching this liquidity zone here, which is a very important liquidity zone. So with this move here, a big move, pullback, expecting for the market to trend and then to create a new higher high in that area. Looking at also the euro dollar, we can see some short-term trend here on euro USD. And looking at the 1 hour as well, we can see the market also here forming series of lower high in that area. Want to see that this one also trending. Looking at the 4 hour perspective here, 1 hour chart, we can see the market is basically also forming series of lower high, trending in one direction. So let's see where it might be heading, and based on that we can look for entry opportunity to see euro dollar in a sideways. So we will not be taking any position at the moment on euro USD. And on XAU USD, which is basically in an uptrend here, and in this uptrend on XAU USD, okay, so you can see 15 minutes perspective here, which is basically a bullish trend on XAU USD. Lower time frame, you can see the market in an uptrend here, wanting to see that it's breaking to the upside to create a new higher high. You can see support level here. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Did you do that? So we'll be waiting for the best entry possible. Sometime the market delays and we have nothing to do with it, but the best way is to wait for the market to show its hand, which is very important to look at. If you look at the market is showing its hand, this is where you will see the market in fact showing the better trading opportunity when it shows its hand. And it's important that always look for the market which is showing its hand, which is very important to look at. And this is absolutely essential to look at, because if we enter in a trade where every the market, you will see that will never always give in one direction, which is very important to look at. The market will move in a different direction, different time. So it is always the best idea is to wait for the market to give us the best trading opportunity in the market, and then we will be looking to see which one is the best setup to trade. Here is, we can see that there is a doji, and this doji we can see there is a bounce. And in that bounce we see there is a doji expecting for this market to move up to the previous support, which is turning resistance. So you can see from here the price is approaching that level. Want to see a bounce here, which is very important to look at, especially when the market trend is slower. We will be waiting for clear confirmation. I would like to see the 1 minute chart here again. In this lower time frame we can see the market, this is a series of potentially series of higher low formation here, and still sideways movement, which is sometime we need to wait for that to market expand from that sideways movement, and then we can look for that entry opportunity. So as it is weekend, guys, we'll be waiting for a better setup, which is very important to look at. And yeah, still in my strategy there isn't better trading opportunity here yet, so we'll be waiting for a best setup. As of weekend, I will be ending this live a little earlier today. Still no trade, and as soon as we will find the trade we will be looking to enter. At the moment, just looking for the best setup, and we might see at the end of the or middle of the NY session before the weekend closure, we might see some stronger movement, and that's what we will be waiting for, the next opportunity in the market. So it was a great session with all of you guys. I enjoyed all of you, and today still there is no trade. We'll be waiting for the other opportunity coming up later, and let's keep it up here. And then also guys, keep eye tomorrow, very important day, weekend, and I'll post a very important lesson on the channel. So if you guys are passionate about trading, so make sure you keep eye on that strategy and the channel. And in the meantime, yeah, always watch all the lessons on the channel. Make sure you watch all of them, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell. I'll see you again very soon, again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.